Mum still at the show?
Yeah. It's not going to be that much longer. There's what the sheep dog files.
Hey, what was that?
I know, I just saw that.
What you got there?
That right?
Oh, you know the dice that
Yeah, there's like this little bit, isn't there? Nuts, that's called.
Just while we're waiting to leave the arena, I can just remind you that at 1 o'clock opposite the motorbikes is the Extreme Mountain Bike Show. I believe it's a wonderful thing to see. They are in this arena later on tonight at 7 o'clock. And also we have a group of people here from representing the explosion at the mill at Astle. And they are collecting money. It's a worthy cause. They've got a stall round the back somewhere near the toilets. If you see them walking around, if you just drop a few coppers in, they're trying to get money together to pay the people's wages apparently. We've also got the Royal Artillery Association, Bolton branch behind the commentary point. They collect some money, shelter wristbands, etc. for the Royal Artillery Association. Also we've got the many food drink establishments all around the arena. We've got everything you can think of, from burgers to fish and chips to baked potatoes, ice cream, bar, you name it. And behind the commentary point, of course, we've got a homemade lemonade stall, which is absolutely lovely. I've just had one. And we've got at the end of there, we've got the National Milk Bar. The milk bar has been coming to this rally for many, many years, so it's nice that it's back there again.
I'll leave it away. I'm not messing with it. going?
Two. Australia. Australia and it's caravan.